then BTM to NS Palya side, and then JP Nagar, and JP Nagar till that metro. Yeah, see, we have already reached Flipboard. So JP Nagar we'll go till metro and then we'll take a left until we get into Nice Road. So that's our plan. So take this left, do not go till BTM another stage, just take first left and try to connect to NS Palya Road. Now we are exactly in BTM Lake Road. So we have started the journey around some 9 o'clock. We already had breakfast. I'll let you know like where you can have great breakfast in this journey. If you are starting early in the morning around some 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Once after touching the Mysore road, you'll get good restaurants. I'll show you that. So exactly now we are in JP Nagar. Just go till you see metro. So here we have to take left until we reach Nice Road. Basically we can go till Nice Road. If you want to enjoy, there will be a right turn. Now we are going in that way. If you just take right turn, a beautiful road will. So this is the right turn what I told you. So just before Nice Road, if you just take this, you can enjoy bike ride. We just took this, but it's not mandatory to go in this way. You can directly keep the destination and you can go. This exactly just saying, even if you don't have Google Maps, you can go in this way. Wherever you are just seeing in the whole video, if there is any video quality difference or anything, it would be a 360 shot. So when you are going from JP Nagar, you will connect to this road. I mean to say it's Nice Road, but here they will not ask you toll in the first one, but in the second one they will ask you for a toll. It's very cheap. him like how much is the price for Ramnagara. He told me 15 rupees per each person.
15 रुपये 2 बाइक
30 रुपये
अना
30 रुपये
अना रामदेव बेट्टा
So this Ramdevar Betta is exactly in Ramnagara. So from here if you take a left, good restaurants will be there. So this is the place what I am saying. If you are starting at 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 6 o'clock,
ರಾಮದೇವರ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಚಲೋ ಬ್ರೋ ಚಲೋ
under this statue we have to go for around some 4 to 5 kilometers, then we will meet the place. Let's enjoy the ride. So some places road will not be that great, but if you also want to try some off-road, you can go for it. But it's not completely bad, only in some places.
This is only rough. I have seen this.
So we have almost reached.
I have seen this.
These are the pics. If you just search for Ramdevar Betta, you can see all these pics on Google. So you can hear directly what he is saying.
Sir, entry ticket person 25, bike parking 10.
It's exactly one person, it's 25 rupee entry and each bike 10 rupees. But when we went there, he didn't give us any tickets, but that's the charges they are collecting. So when we went there, almost a lot of people has come, though it's corona time. But frankly, everyone went. I mean, being in the mask, a lot of kids are there around who ask for 1 rupee, 2 rupee, like begging. Just don't encourage them, and they don't even have mask. So just be careful because they keep on touching everyone. Not only you guys, everyone. Whoever come, they just go and touch them, and they'll also touch your vehicle and you. So just be careful. Try to avoid them as much as possible. So from here there are steps till hill. So I'll just show you in a time lapse. Around some 500 steps will be there. After that you will get this point first. There is a Shiva temple, but I cannot see any idol there, so I just moved on. There is a good viewpoint over here. Very nice. I'll just show you in 360 right now. If you come with gang, you'll just enjoy this place. So left side hill is having, I mean now it's like right side hill will be having 7 stones. They call it as Saptarushi, and left side there is a lake kind of place, and back side is the main temple. So this is the Saptarushi hill, right side one. I'm not 100% sure whether it's Saptarushi hill or not, but couple of people who came there, they just told me that that's the information even I'm sharing with you guys. So here is the another hill where I told you some lake is there, sorry, a pond. This is still there till the temple. So the temple what you are seeing exactly straight, I mean to the right straight, that's the main one. That's how temple looks inside and outside. So here left side you can see lot of people are there who will keep food for us. Like that will be there on Saturday and Sunday and public holidays. Food is very tasty. If you go there, just have it. Very nice it is. If you like it or if you want to donate it, you can donate some money or you can donate some money there. Some dustbins are also there where you can drop off your waste and you can clean the plate and you can keep near the bins. Literally after climbing that whole hill, we are a little tired. We took rest and then we also went for the another side of hill where some god idols are there, Hanuman and Ganesha. We didn't went till end, but we went till Ganesha idol. But lot of priests are there, so I haven't recorded completely. So post this Ganesha idol, we started back to home. Why? Because it's already rainy. So we started back to again Koramangala. So altogether, if you plan for 6-7 hours, like a nice journey with couple of friends, like bikes, mostly bikes, it will be awesome. If it is drizzling like the video what you are seeing, it will be like wow. So never miss it. So while coming back, I didn't took the main nice road. I just came from the main roads. First satellite bus stand, then KR Market, and then we'll come to Koramangala.